Yeah, this is Joe from 452 Atlantic Avenue, apartment 3F. This is the hallway. This is the light that burnt out. It appears to take two fluorescent tubes. I measured this. The case is 4 feet long. So the fluorescent tube is probably, I don't know, 3'8". I don't know the diameter, but this is it. That's what it looks like upstairs when it's working. So, yeah, I leaned over a little bit. I'm not gonna lean that far, but I did measure this case. This case here, that's 4 feet long. The tube looks a little shorter than 4 feet. You're just gonna have to come over and take a look and pull them out and see. I guess it would be helpful to buy a couple extra ones and leave them in the basement. Yeah, I think that would be a good idea. And then you can pass that cost on to the management company. Or maybe leave a sign on a wall somewhere so the tenants know how long they are. And also the diameter of the diameter of the bulb. It appears to be a ½ inch. You really can't get a good shot of that. And you can see somehow the label's been scratched out. All right, Angel, that's it. Yeah, you can't miss the third floor because I got this in there. So then once again, you see it up there. All right, thanks. And of course, the picture. Okay, that's one picture. Two. I'm actually taking shots as I'm making the video. Hold on. Taking some still shots here. If this phone starts to work, God damn this phone. Oh, I hate this phone. All right, later, Angel. Bye.